Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Lego bricks cheap. First, explore online marketplaces like eBay or Bricklink for used sets and bulk lots. You can often find great deals on large quantities of bricks, sometimes at a fraction of the original cost. Also, don't forget to check local classifieds and garage sales. You might discover hidden treasures from sellers looking to clear out old toys. These methods can save you many dollars. Next, employ smart buying strategies. Always look for new sets on sale, particularly during major holiday seasons when discounts can reach 20 to 30% off retail. Sometimes, recently retired sets can be found at reduced prices before their value increases. Additionally, buying larger sets often provides a better price per piece ratio, meaning you get more bricks for your money, sometimes as low as 8 cents per piece. Consider exploring alternative sources for your brick collection. Lego official stores often feature a pick-a-brick wall where you can fill a cup with various pieces for a fixed price, typically around $15 for a large cup. Online pick-a-brick services also allow you to order specific elements directly. Furthermore, connecting with other Lego enthusiasts for trades or exchanges can be a cost-effective way to acquire desired bricks without spending extra money. Finally, proper care and organization are crucial for maintaining your collection and maximizing your investment. Always clean used bricks thoroughly with mild soap and water before adding them to your existing collection. Organizing your bricks by color, type, or size will save you significant time and frustration during builds. Good storage, such as clear bins or drawers, prevents damage and loss, ensuring your bricks last for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.